How to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. Now, first of all, open the Robinhood app on your phone. Make sure you are verified for crypto transfers. Now, go to your crypto portfolio, tap the crypto section, select the coin you want to send, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After that, tap send. So on the crypto page, tap the send button. So if you don't see it, you may need to complete identify verification first. After that, enter the wallet address. So copy the wallet address from the wallet you are sending to, paste it carefully into Robinhood, double check the address, sending to the wrong address can be undone. After that, enter the amount. So type the amount of crypto you want to send, review the network fee it's shown. And finally, confirm and send. So review all the details, tap submit or send to finish, and you may be asked to enter a security code or confirm with your phone. So this is how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.